transforming your engineering prototypes, functional mechanical parts, and high-speed hobby printing into professional-grade manufacturing realities without struggling with slow extrusion rates or filament compatibility limits usually means transitioning to an enclosed, high-temp speed demon. The Creality K1C 600mm per second high-speed AI-equipped enclosed 3D printer redefines desktop additive manufacturing by combining blazing fast CoreXY kinematics, factory-installed carbon fiber filament support, and intelligent AI monitoring. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its all-metal extrusion and hot-end assembly capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, paired with an upgraded hardened steel nozzle. Instead of struggling with abrasive composite filaments, wearing down brass nozzles, or thermal clogging when printing technical polymers, this system effortlessly feeds and melts demanding engineering filaments like PLACF, PCF, and PACF while screaming along at a blistering maximum speed of 600mm per second. Performance and everyday versatility streamline both rapid prototyping and detailed multi-material production. Outfitted with a fully enclosed chassis and an integrated dual cooling fan system, the printer maintains stable internal ambient temperatures while instantly solidifying bridges and overhangs for pristine surface finishes. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by hands-free automated bed leveling and auto input shaping calibration, a built-in AI camera that actively monitors for print failures and spaghetti errors, a quick-release magnetic PI build plate, and pre-assembled out-of-the-box readiness, so you can start printing in minutes. Things to consider before you buy enclosed build volume management. While the fully enclosed chamber is fantastic for trapping heat and printing warping-prone composite materials, its compact build envelope is optimized for standard desktop engineering parts rather than massive industrial-scale components. Operational noise at high speeds. Pushing core kinematics up to 600mm per second generates noticeable mechanical movement noise during rapid acceleration, so placing it on a sturdy, isolated workbench is recommended if kept in a living space. So who is this really for? This high-speed enclosed 3D printer is an absolute home run for engineers, makers, and advanced hobbyists who want lightning-fast print speeds, combined with native carbon fiber composite support, reliable AI failure detection, and a fully enclosed chamber. If you are looking for a massive 400mm plus build volume to print giant artistic sculptures, or a dedicated beginner-friendly toy machine for young kids, a specialized large format or entry-level printer will better match your workflow. Is it worth the money? If you value 600mm per second high-speed printing, a hardened steel nozzle for abrasive carbon fiber filaments, 300 degrees Celsius all-metal extrusion, fully automated calibration, built-in AI monitoring, and a robust enclosed frame, it is a premier, high-value investment for your desktop workshop.